So what we've got going on here is we are starting our outsulation, and that is complete mostly on this face of the wall or the house so far. The insulators have started inside of the house. Because we're doing outsulation, we don't have to worry about doing spray foam inside the 2x4 walls. We are doing bad insulation only inside. I can go on and on about the benefits of doing outboarded insulation. It is absolutely the way to go and the way of the future for sure. Here we are inside of the main floor of this house. You can see we've got it all nice and clean. One of the things that we do prior to insulating is we bring in a virtual scanning company to come and do full 360 scan of this home. So that way we can see where our client's stuff is behind the drywall when something gets missed or hidden, or if they want to move something in the future. The other thing that's happened in the last couple of weeks is we've got this wonderful folding door installed here, which is going to allow for beautiful access to their back patio. This is an absolutely gorgeous piece, and it will provide them with all sorts of entertainment options when they have friends and guests over. You can see in the kitchen area here, we've got the bad insulation installed. That's looking really good and ready to go. So here we are in the primary bedroom. We've got insulation going in the exterior wall here. Not sure if the camera will pick it up. Insulation, yay. On our projects, we get our air barrier on the outside of sheathing. We don't do poly bag. I can do an entire video series as to why we don't do that. But this is what building science tells us is the smartest way to do these things. Coming down here, we've got the hallway into the primary ensuite, which is looking awesome. And then of course, over here, we've got the primary walk-in closet. So here we are in the kids level. So on this level, we've got 2 bedrooms, 1 office, technically 3 bedrooms. Right now, I'm standing inside of the kids' bathroom. So shower pans on flood test right now. You can't see that, but I can. Everything's all roughed in, nice and clean, ready to go. Insulation going in, looking awesome. In here, we've got H&H Insulation on site, getting the job done for us. They do a great job for us every time. We'll be spray foaming on the underside of sheathing on this floor as well as the upper floor. I don't remember if I mentioned that when I was upstairs earlier. In here, we've got another bedroom. Awesome. And then in here, this will become future office. So we're now in the basement. Everything is looking really good in here. We will be having some insulation up against the concrete, spray foam, 2 pound, just to make sure that there's no latent moisture that gets through the concrete into the insulation. And then we'll add regular insulation on top of that. Sub panel here for the kitchen and all of the important stuff inside of the house. Closet, lots of storage here. Here's the hallway through to the bathroom on this floor, as well as the storage area for all of the toys that these people love to use every weekend. Thank you very much for watching. Over the next week, we should be finalizing insulation, getting that inspected, and I would think by the end of next week, we will start drywalling. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch our videos. And again, if you ever have any renovation or home building questions or needs, I think we're a pretty solid choice for you. Give us a call. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.